Hello all and welcome to TVM Academy. So before I address the frequently asked questions on our XAT course, which we start tomorrow, that is Saturday, 30th of November, let me first address the elephant in the room. The CAT response sheets are out today and we have had brilliant scores, but some heartbreaks also. So I've been talking to students at TVM, and some of some of them are celebrating, some of them are sad because response sheets, of course, revealed something that they did not expect. Now, one question that might come to your minds today is whether my 1 year of hard work was worth it ultimately. So I have had a few students coming to me with this heartbroken, shattered, and telling me, "Sir, I do not have the motivation to study any further because I prepared for 1 year and my response sheet reveals that I did not do well. I was scoring well, and yes, these students were actually scoring really well in the mock exams. Uh, some of them, and on the actual test, the results surprised them, and that can happen. You had a bad day. You can have a bad day. So it might seem that everything is over, but here is my 2 cents, and here is my only piece of advice for you guys. The cat is behind you. All you need is one seat in one good B school. When you started in January, February, or March, whenever you started your preparation journey, uh, the ultimate goal was to get into a good B school and not to score a 99 percentile and laminate that in any of these exams. The ultimate goal, the fight, so to say, the fight is to get into a good B school, and CAT is only one battle of that fight. At least three major exams, SNAP, NMAT, and XAT are still there. XAT being the most important. And trust me, these CAT scores, everything will not matter if you get that one B school, one good B school that you're fighting for. So one battle you might have lost, but three more battles are there. And the beautiful thing about this fight is that you don't have to win all the battles. You only have to win one battle to call it a victory, to win the fight. Therefore, please understand, forget everything. Maybe take today's day to, sob about it and to cry. But tomorrow, uh, do not let your 1 year of preparation, hard work go to waste. It is not wasted, trust me. We knew that, these things are going to happen. Just gather yourselves, just muster your courage. For 2 more months, whatever questions are coming to your mind, was this year worth it, etc., etc., till January, don't ask these questions. Let the percentile scores come. They might surprise you. And for 2 months, just prepare for the three battles. And remember, you only have to win. You only have to be victorious once to win the entire fight. Okay. So with this, I introduce, not introduce actually. I've already introduced my XAT course in my previous video. You can watch that video if you want to understand what the course includes, etc. A detailed course explainer. This is to address some of the frequently asked questions in the past 3-4 days. I've received many calls and I've been asked a few questions many times. First question, sir, will the XAT course cover complete syllabus? The answer is yes, it will. But how it will cover the entire syllabus? Because 1 month, of course, we are not going to start from let's say, ground zero as we start in CAT. Okay. So the course will cover the entire syllabus, but how? Please understand. The course is going to be a blend of theory and rigorous practice. We are going to focus a lot on rigorous practice and discussions. And the primary focus of the theoretical part of the course is decision making section, the main focus of theory. Because why? Because decision making is the new section. Uh, and we have never done anything like that before. Okay. Assuming this is your first time preparing for this exam, of course. So therefore, the major theoretical focus is going to be decision making section. The other two sections, VALR and QADI, they are going to be covered mostly in the form of tests, video lessons, and of course, there are certain specific VALR specific topics for that, and then that specific topics for in QADI section also. They will be taken up in live classes as well. So basically, the course is designed in such a way that it will focus on the theory which is necessary and which is exclusive to CAT, which is exclusive to XAT, over and above what you have already done, for the CAT exam. Basically, that is the idea. And then we are going to focus on writing a lot of sectional tests. So basically, we aim to write at least 12 to 15 sectional tests in this 1 month of preparation, 5 weeks of preparation. At least 12 to 15 sectional tests. We are going to discuss 8 past full-length papers from 2016 onwards. That 2016, we are going to, solve each and every paper and discuss them live in, live sessions. Then we are also going to have 3 to 5 full-length mock tests. In my previous video, I had committed 3 mock tests. Now the idea is to, increase the number of mock tests to 5. Okay, so 3 to 5, anywhere between 3 to 5 full-length mock tests will also be there. All of it will be discussed in live classes. Okay, these classes are going to be interactive, especially the decision-making section is going to be very interactive. I'm going to ask you your opinion on a particular, case. So if this is the situation, business situation, what would you do and why? What are your angles? What are the different aspects which you are considering before you're taking, this decision into account? And then we are going to see whether this way of thinking is right or what did you miss, etc., etc., so that I get an insight into your way of thinking and probably add to it or subtract from it and, guide you better. That is the idea. These are going to be very discussion heavy classes and very fun, interesting classes, interactive classes. So this is the syllabus part. Okay. Second question I have been asked is, how many live classes will be conducted in a week? As I mentioned in the previous video, 4 classes a week will be conducted. Will the videos be uploaded? Yes, recordings will be uploaded in 24 hours mostly on the portal so that you can keep pace with the course. Will exam taking strategy also be discussed? This is a question that has been asked. See, XAT is a very different exam when it comes to approach. So there's no sectional time limit. How much time to allocate to each of these sections, etc., are some questions that we need to answer. Also, how to maximize, how to optimize our performance, how to maximize our scores. All this will be taken care of. So exam taking strategy sessions will also be part of the course. Okay. Will all sessions be delivered by me, yours truly? This is another question that my team has been asked. The answer is all the VALR and decision-making sessions will be conducted by me. Yes. QADI classes may be conducted by another faculty. These sessions are mostly discussions of the exams, the sectional tests, and past year papers and mock tests that we will have. Okay, so they may be taken by another faculty member. So this is what the entire XAT course looks like. Now, the early enrollment benefit of 43%, the fee waiver ends tonight, 29th of November. So please make sure that you enroll, before midnight today to avail of this benefit. Enrollment link will be given in the description and comment section of this video. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in the classes. All the best for the remaining exams, guys. Do not lose heart. The battle might be lost. The war is still on. Bye-bye.